Are you looking to make money online? Look no further. With Toloka AI, you can earn up to $30 every day. Toloka AI is a crowdsourcing platform that allows users to earn money online by doing simple tasks. Whether you want to do this as a side hustle or as a full-time income, Toloka AI will help you achieve your goals. In today's video, I will show you how to sign up on Toloka AI platform and how to maximize your earning and how to easily withdraw your money from Toloka AI platform. Withdrawals on Toloka AI platform is through Payoneer. Let's get into the video.
To get this app, you need to go to Google Play Store and type Toloka AI app. You can log in with your email or use your Google account. You can also use the web version of Toloka AI. Let's go to Google Chrome. Once it loads, you type Toloka AI. This is Toloka AI platform. All you need to do is to sign up. So what you need to do here is to log in as a Toloka. Please do not log in as a requester except you are trying to log in as a client. But here you want to perform a task on Toloka AI. So you need to log in as a Toloka. You click on login. So you can now sign up or log in through your Google account or with your Facebook account. Once you are done with that, we can now app. But I like using the app version. I'm going to show you how to maximize your earning on Toloka AI. So let us start our task in Toloka. Moisture condensed from the atmosphere that falls visibly in separate drops, or the fall of such moisture. Water that is condensed from the aqueous vapor in the atmosphere and falls to the earth is called what? 4. Power to direct or manage something. True. The end of life or the permanent cessation of vital function. Death. 3. Death. So I'm giving less than 2 minutes to answer question. The fact or process of losing something or the amount by which something is reduced. Loss. Submit. These are the various tasks that we need to perform in Toloka. So these are the various tasks you need to perform. If we go to active, you see that we have one task active, and if we go to rewards, Toloka also have a referral link of which you can use to promote it on YouTube or any social media platforms. So I finished adding my pictures. Please answer some questions about yourself. Male, African, Android. I agree to personal collection, photos and demographic data, age, gender, etc. and are allowed to use it for research. Successfully, task completed. Wait for 24 hours. This is how you can perform tasks on Toloka. You can see right now I've been able to earn $0.30 from the app. So this is how you can make money on Toloka.com. Thank you.
If you have been able to earn on this platform like I did, type I do. And if you have not, type I have not. And I will show you what to do. My name is Ebubetalks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.